Hi, I'm Melissa. I'm an aquarist here at Discovery World. Sure, so we have over 100 different fish here at Discovery World. We also have a few different species of snakes, including the ball pythons like Koya here. So one of the things that takes up a large portion of my day is I actually run our seahorse breeding program. So all of the little baby seahorses that we get are my responsibility, and I raise them up from when they're first born and they're about this big all the way through adulthood, and then they're all moved out onto display. I also take care of about 12 systems, including the jellyfish and our Asian community tank, which is a freshwater tank that has a variety of different fish from Asia. So one of my favorite things about marine biology is getting to see all these incredible animals. There's so much diversity in the oceans and even in our lakes, like here in Lake Michigan. And STEM in general just provides so many opportunities to learn, and there's so much more out there left to discover that we don't know yet. My biggest role in advocating for STEM is just being active in the field, and enjoying my work. And I think that when people encounter women who enjoy their work, especially young girls, then they're more attracted to those fields. One of the great things about science is that it doesn't care who you are, it doesn't care about your gender, your race. It's going to be the same for everyone, and it's always going to be consistent. And I think that that's something that we need to utilize as a society. So my advice to any young girls, no matter what they're interested in, is to set their own limits. Don't let anybody tell you what you can and can't do. In the end, you're going to be happier if you go out and do what you want.